What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Diggity Dog with a Vliggity Vlog coming at you with a briggity brand new Viggity video. And I'm pretty excited. Today we're taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes. Another one. DJ Khaled meme, super relevant. Today's unboxing tool is the humble bobby pin. Or as we like to call them in this family, the Robert pin. Let's take a look. I actually am surprised at how easily these cut. As you can see by the title, it's another pair of Air Max 270s. This is one of the original 4 colorways. It's also the one that's worn by my favorite rapper and charity giver, Drake, in his God's Plan video. So I'm pretty excited to get a look at these. Chuck that bobby pin, open the box. Here we go. Return label. And bada bing, bada boom. This is the Air Max 270, as you can see. Once again, in that 270 box, like the other one, I won't really spend too much time on the box this time around. Went with a 10.5, perfect fit from the last pair as well. I actually ordered these, I think, a day after I ordered the Dusty Cactus ones. So I was kind of taking a risk as far as, like I didn't even know if I was going to like the Dusty Cactus ones, but I bought them anyway because I had faith. But let's go ahead and take a look at the shoes since you guys are probably familiar with the box. Here we go. These are bright as hell. So, as you can see, it is the black and Volt colorway. Like I said, this is one of the original 4. I believe the original 4 were this one, blue, punch colored, and an orange, I think, was the last one. But I think this is the best one out of them. I think that Volt color really pops. It's a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit more of a deeper green, more like the shell up here. But it is definitely a Volt color. And just looking at them, I like these a lot. Like, just getting into the shoe, we've got, once again, that mesh material that's all over the upper of the shoe. We'll start at the bottom, though. So we've got all black here, more of that foam that runs right here in the middle, and then around this hard traction pod plastic piece in the middle. And as you can see, it says Air Max here. We've got the bright Volt. It looks almost glow in the dark in this natural lighting. It's really bright. But coming up to the midsole, standard black foam. That's the fuzz, baby. That's the fuzz. Looking for all the unoriginal YouTube content creators. We've got that standard black foam here, and then we've got the air unit. Once again, 270 whatever milligrams of air back here. Air in black, debossed, and then 270, which is embossed. Right here. More of that sort of like a tech mesh on the back. And then I did find out what this is called, this like sort of covering over some of the mesh. I guess it's called fuse. So fuse on the toe cap with another Nike swoosh, and then some fuse on the lateral and medial side. Coming up, it's a one-piece booty system, Air 270. And then on the inside, this one's a little bit different than the Dusty Cactus. This one just says Air Max in that Volt colorway. Jesus, even the inside is bright as hell. So they're super bright, but I love the hell out of these. I don't know if I touched on this in the last review, but there's another Air 270 in black here that you can barely see. So it really is pretty much a monochromatic shoe with just that bright hit of color. But I think it's definitely going to be something that I'll get a lot of wear out of because it is so dark. But this is a really cool colorway. And I didn't think that I would like it as much as I do, like having it in hand. I don't know if I like it more than the Dusty Cactus. I guess we'll find out at the end of the year when I make my top 10 list, if these shoes even make it on the list. But yeah, that's the shoe. I'm Dog with a Vlog, of course. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm super blown out. I'm going to scoot up a little bit here. I'm super blown out right now, but I appreciate you guys the support on the channel so far. It's been super cool, and I definitely do enjoy that. I didn't get the Sean Witherspoon 97 ones, unfortunately. That would have been a cool video, but I didn't get them. I did try to get them, but couldn't. But I guess we've got these for now. So definitely make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and comment. Let me know if you like the shoe, if you like any of the 270s, and if you've picked up any, and kind of how you're rocking them, how you're wearing them, and we'll just leave it at that. Let's keep things strictly professional. But like I said, I'm Dog with a Vlog. You guys are awesome, and I'll talk to you super, super soon. Peace.